the questions. Okay. So we are doing fourth question. Which part we were? Ninth part we have completed up to ninth. 11th we have completed. No, up to 7th. Up to 7th we have completed.
Gave 7th as homework.
7th was as
Yes,
homework.
sir.
Okay. So
7.
how much you have got? Minus 16. Cube root of minus 4096. Minus 16 you have got. Okay. Try
Yes,
eighth
sir.
one. Everyone start doing eighth one. Everyone start doing eighth one. Cube root of 27 upon cube root of 27 upon 125. Always remember few mistakes which you make. One mistake, don't write it like this. Okay, this is wrong. Okay, and don't write like this, cube root of 27 divided by 125. This is as well wrong. What is being asked? It is whole cube root of 27 upon 25. It means only cube root of 27 we have to take. Okay, so it's for the whole. Row for the whole. It's cube root of 27 divided by 125. So how you are going to do this one? Cube root of, what will be the next step? Can we take the cube root of them separately? Root of 27 divided by cube root of 125. Okay. Calculate it. Everyone calculate. Cube root of 27. Everyone calculate cube root of 27. So what will be the cube root of 27? Factorize 27. Cube root of 3
3.
into 3 into 3.
3.
And cube root of 5 into 5 into 5. It is how much? From triplet will take 1 out. From triplet will take 1
3 by
out.
5.
3 by 5. 3 upon 5. Understood now? 3 by 5. 3 upon 5. Is this clear? Everyone have understood? Okay, next one you all do. Okay, I'll wait for a minute. Okay, so what you're going to do with the negative sign? Minus. Since it's a cube root, so cube root of minus 125 upon 64. Okay. So what we should do first with the minus sign? Should we take it out and keep doing in your notebook? Can we write it like this? Okay. Next, can we write it like this? Okay. Now you solve.
Sir, can you
Yes.
can you once again solve 8th 127 upon 125?
Okay. How much have you got? Okay. Can we write like this? This you all know? We have done this one. You all know in exponents we have done a by b raised to power m equal to a raised to power n, b raised to power m. Okay. If it is whole root, we have done root of a divided by root of b. Okay. How much it will be? Cube root of 27, factorize it. And
3 into
similarly
3 into 3, 5
factorize
into
5 into 5
5 into
into
5
5.
into 5.
Okay. So from each triplet we'll take one out. From numerator 3. From denominator 5. 3 upon 5. Have you understood it now? Okay. Complete this one, everyone. Complete this one. Minus sign we have taken out. Okay. Minus sign we have taken out. Everyone solve that one. So what is the cube root of 125?
5.
Minus sign is already there. It's 5 because minus sign we have taken outside. Okay. Divided by cube root of 4 into 4 into 4. So minus 5 upon 4. Have you got this? So minus sign we have
Yes,
taken already
sir.
outside. The very first step we have taken outside. Then we have taken the root separately of the numerator and denominator, and then expanded them by factorization. Okay. And from each triplet we have taken 1 out. Okay. So 555 we have taken 1 5 out. From 444 we have taken 1 4 out. Okay. Okay. Do the next one. If you know, you can do with the fraction, decimal, or convert it in fraction. Okay. Or convert it in fraction. Okay. Or convert it in fraction. Okay. So you all remember your username and passwords? Teams, Microsoft Teams username and password. You all remember?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Okay. Tomorrow I'm thinking to take one test. Okay. Rational numbers I will take. Okay. We already revised that chapter. So I'll take very easy. I'm going to take. So here, rational numbers, go through the basics. Okay. Just clear all your basics. Very easy paper I'm going to say set based on basics only. Okay. So prepare all the basics, go through all the basics. Okay. You must know what rational numbers are, what we are doing, or that's all. Okay. Okay. Then the additive, identity, additive, multiplicative identity, then multiplicative inverse, additive inverse, those all things I'm going to ask. Okay. So prepare the basics. Okay. Prepare the basics. Okay. Next one, cube root of 0.001. Okay. Cube root of 0.001.
1 upon 1000.
1 upon 1000 we can write. So we'll write it like this. Whole cube root of 1 upon 1000. Okay. Cube root of 1 divided by cube root of 1000. Okay. This step is not necessary. We can state right like this. 1 divided by cube root of 1000 also. We can skip this one. Okay. Understood this one? Cube root of 1 is always 1. Whether you take the square, cube, or anything of 1 you take, it is always 1. So we can skip this step. We can simply write 1 upon cube root of 1000. Okay. And it will be how much? Cube root of
10.
10 into 10 into 10. Taking
1
1 out.
upon
1 upon 10. Okay.
0.
So it is how
1.
much? 0.1. Okay. You can see as well 0.001. 3 decimal places, 1 decimal place, 0.1. Okay. Okay. Give me this one. 0.008 cube root of. Get an idea? What will be the answer? Just straightforward answer.
0.88.
0.8. It is 0.2. 0.2. Yes or no? 0.2 into 0.2 into 0. 0.3 decimal places 2 into 2 into 2. 0.8. Yes or no? 0.2. Okay. This will be the answer. Okay. Okay. Cube root of 6 zeros are there.
100.
100. Okay. 100. Okay. Cube root of 0.064. 64 is a, so here take the cube root of 64.
Sir, 0.4.
4 is there, cube root of 64 is 4. How many zeros are there? Decimal place 1, 2, 3. So here it will be 1. Okay. Similarly, cube root of 8, 2. How many decimal places? 1, 2, 3. So it will be 1. Understood? Okay. Cube root of 125 and I am putting 0.125. What it will be? So what is the cube root of 125?
Sir, 5.
5. Okay. How many decimal places? 1, 2, 3. Here will be 1. Okay. Give me this 0.000125. So 125 cube root
Sir, 0.05.
5.
Sir, 0.05.
Okay, and how many decimal places? 3, 3, 6. So 2 decimal places, 1 and 2. 0.05. Have you all understood?
Sir, I don't understood this one. Sir, which one you have tell
Okay.
now?
Okay. This you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now see here 0.000125 it is given. Okay. What is the cube root of 125? 125? 5?
5.
5 into
5.
5.
Okay. Now see here how many decimal places are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 decimal places are there. 6 decimal places are there. It means only
Yes, sir.
2 decimal places we must have. 6 divided by 2, 6 divided by 3, 2. 1 decimal place, 2 decimal place, 0 point. Okay. If you don't get it for timing, you can do it like this. Cube root of 125 divided by 6 zeros. Yes or no? Cube root. Okay, cube root now we are taking. 25 it is 5. 2, 4, 6. From 6 we'll take 2 outside. Pair of 3, pair of 3. 5 by 100, 0.05. Understood this one? So it's all about practice. You practice them more, you'll get more idea, okay? Yes, Jatin, you'll get more idea or not? Okay, this is clear. Do the next one. Do the next one. So Jatin comes to the class to give the glimpse of him. Yes or no? Okay. Okay. Next one. Okay. 11th we have done. 12th one. 12th one. Cube root of 27 divided by 64 into 125. Okay, what you are going to do? Are you going to multiply them first or applying something else? Okay, how you are going to do? Okay, see here. Just see here. 27 is a perfect cube. Yes or no? 27 is a perfect cube.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
64 is also a perfect cube.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
125 is also a perfect cube. We
Yes,
know
sir.
them. Okay. If you do not know that, what you will do? If you do not know, then expand this, factorize this one into factorize this one. Okay. Then make the triplets and solve. Okay. Here we have an idea that these all three are perfect cubes. So we can write like this. Divided by cube root of 64 into cube root of 125. Okay.
Sir, 3
Okay.
upon 20. 3 upon 4 into 5.
Okay. What is the cube root of 27? 3.
3.
What is the cube root of 64?
4.
4.
4. 4. What is the cube root of 125?
5.
5.
5. 3 upon 20.
5. 3 upon 20.
20.
3 upon 20. Okay. Or for example, you do not know. What you will do, you will factorize them and then make the pairs. That's the basic way. Okay. If you do not know nothing, factorize this, factorize this, factorize this. If anything cancelling, cancel them. Okay. Then triplets we have to make. Okay. Okay. Next one. Cube root of 729 divided by 125 into 1000. 125 into 1000. Okay. This one. $729. Okay, check this one.
Sir, 729. 9.
It's 9. Okay. If you do not know, you will factorize it. Whether it is going from 9, 7 plus 2 plus 9. It's 18. So 9 is a factor of this number. Okay. Factorize this one 3, 3, 3, 3 you will get. Okay. You can write like this. It's a perfect cube. It is also a perfect cube. It is also a perfect cube. Basically in denominator we'll check whether these two are perfect cube or not. Okay.
Yes,
Sometimes
sir.
it can happen a factor from this we take and move to here that can make both both perfect cube. Okay, we'll see those questions as well. Upon cube root of 125 into cube root of 1000. Okay, 7 to 9 it's a cube of 9.
9.
So 9 cube and its cube root will get 9. 125 cube root we have already done
5.
5. 1000 three zeros are there
10.
1 0. 9 upon 50. This is clear? Okay, do the next one. Cube root of 125 into 64 into 8. Okay. So what will be the answer? You can do like this. This is a perfect cube, it is also a perfect cube, it is also a perfect cube. So you can write like this into cube root of 8. Okay, cube root of 125. 5.
5.
Cube root of 64.
4.
4.
4. Cube root of 8. 2.
2.
2.
5 4 20.
40.
40. Okay, you can skip these as well. What is the cube root of 125? 5. Cube root of 64? 4. Cube root of 8? 2. And you get the answer. Everyone have understood? Anyone have doubt?
No, sir.
Anyone having doubt? Everyone have understood? Okay, good. Okay, do the next one. Next one is little tricky. This time see here and pay attention to this question. 16 into 500. Now what to do?
So these are not perfect cubes.
These are not perfect cube, but there's something that can make them perfect cube.
Factorize.
Okay, factorization. Okay. See, okay, we'll take that idea afterwards. Okay, let's first factorize. Okay. Okay. Cube root of 16, factorize 16. 2, 8, 2, 4, 2, 2, 2, 2. How many twos?
Sir, 4, 2. 4.
4.
4 twos. Okay. Next, I'm using red color. Okay. 4, 500. Okay. And 500. Factorize it. 2, 250, 2, 125, 5, 25, 5, 5, 5, 1. How many twos?
2.
2. How many fives?
3, 5. 3.
3, 5.
3.
Okay. Now see here what is happening. See here. 16 not a perfect cube. This is not a perfect cube. But see here. One triplet. Second triplet. Third triplet. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So from 16,
into
1,
2.
2 is given to 500. Yes or no? Can you see that one? From 16, 1, 2 we are giving. It means 8 into 1000. I've understood this one. From 16, 1, 2 we are giving to 500. 500 will become 1000 and it will be 8. You can see that one. Cube root of 8 into 1000 it is. You can see 8 is a perfect cube, 1000 is a perfect cube. So what will be the answer here? 20. As well here, you can do like this. Okay. Now from each pair, take one out.
2 into 2 into 5.
So 2 from here, 2 from here, and 5 from
20.
here. How much we are getting? 20. Understood now? Their multiplication
Yes,
is a perfect cube. Separately, they are not perfect cube. So from first we are giving 2. It is like this. 8000. It's 20. Understood this one? You can mark important there.
Yes.
15th question you can mark important. IMP. Okay. IMP. Okay. Rest I know you all do. Some put star, some put very. Huh? Do you all do that? And some students, they start from one corner of the page, very important. And in examination, they don't even attempt that question. Yes, it happens. Okay, do the next one. Do the next one. You all have understood it? So this is the most basic method. If you do not know anything, come here, you'll get the answer, okay? Come to this method and this method will give you answer, okay? Okay, try next one. So if negative sign is there, so first we'll throw the negative sign out of the house. Okay, root house. Out of the root house. Okay. 625 into minus 1600. Cube root of 625 into minus 1600. 100. Okay. So what you have to do first? Take the minus sign out.
Perfect.
Throw the minus sign outside. And we get 625 into 1600. Okay. This you got. Okay. Now what will be the next step?
Factorization.
Okay, factorization, do the factorization. 625. 5, how much it will be? 1?
125.
125. Again 5.
21.
21 or 25? Check it once again.
25.
25. 5, 1. Okay. So it is 25 into 25. It is the square of 25. Do you remember? Square of 25 is 25. Okay. So minus cube root of 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Okay. 1600. 2.
So 6, 5 and
1 minute. 2. 400.
400.
2. 200. 200. 250. 225. 5, 5, 5, 1. 3, 6. 6 twos. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Let's use red one now. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 5, 6 into 5 into 5. Okay. Now form
2 into 5.
Form the triplets. Triplets. One triplet, single 5. Leave it for time being. Triplet, triplet. Now see here, 2 5s are here, 1 5 here. So what is happening? We are taking from 5 from here and putting here. Okay. It's like this. That will make them perfect cube. Understood now? 5 and 2 5 here. Again triplet. So what is the answer? 5 into
100.
5 into 2 into 2.
100.
5 5 are 25. 25 4s are 100. It is 100. Okay. You can check as well. Multiply 625 into 16. Check it once.
Sir, minus.
Okay. Minus sign we have forgotten. Don't forget that one. Or else it's this and that side. Okay. Minus 100. Okay. Okay. You all have understood? You all have
Yes,
understood?
sir.
Okay. Do the next one. Or see here, you can do it one more way. Yes or no? Can I tell you that way? Okay. There are many ways. Either you multiply these if you have idea, or you can do like this as well. See here. 625 into 16 into 100. You can write like this. Okay, 100 you won't have an idea. Okay, leave that. Again. Okay, that is fine. This is fine. Okay, do the next one. Next is 343. 343 upon 2500. Whenever the sound is not clear, voice is not clear, just let me know. Okay, into 2500 into 400. Cube root. 343 divided by 2500 into 400. Okay. Now what you're going to do? This will take one idea. Okay. Okay. Cube root of
Sir, 7 cube.
3. So we can write like this: 343 divided by cube root of 2500 into 400. Okay. It is how much? 7. And how
7.
to calculate this one? How to calculate this one?
Sir,
Here, do you are having it? Okay, either you factorize them, then taking the triplets and those. Okay, 2500 400. Forget about 00. 25 fours are
100.
100, 100, 2 zeros, 2 zeros, 2 zeros. Are you able to get it? Okay, will it be like this? 1 0 0 0 0 0 0. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting the idea? 25 fours are straightforward. We are getting 25 fours are 100. 2 zeros from that we'll get 2 zeros we have and 2 zeros here. Total 6 zeros. So we can form the triplets, and from each 0 0 is coming out. That means 100 is will be there. Have you understood this one?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Understood?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Sir,
We
7
can
by
make
100.
7 by 100. Okay.
0.
Little tricks we can apply.
7.07.
Sir, 0.07.
0.07. 0.07. Okay, good. Okay. Okay. This is clear? Okay. 18th question.
Yes.
Cube root of 1 minus 854. 854 upon 729. Okay. 854 upon 729. Okay, do this one. How to do this one? What we are going to do first? First, we have to solve this one. We cannot write like this.
Minus sign.
We have to remove minus sign. How to remove?
Sir, take outside.
How we can take outside? 1 is there. 1 minus this way. It is like this. 1 minus
We can-
854 729 upon
Sir,
1
we
by
can
this
change
power of
into sir, we can
So-
change it into improper fraction.
Okay, improper fraction. But what's the use of that? We should not change into improper fraction. Then how to take the cube root? Again, we have to convert it into proper fraction. Improper. Okay, improper fraction. It's improper only. Okay, mixed fraction we should not convert. Okay. Now first we solve within this. Plus or minus sign whenever there is under the root, solve them first. We have to solve them. See here, only in multiplication that was applicable. A raised to power m, b raised to power m. Or in division it was applicable. Yes or no? Okay. If it is given like this, a plus b upon c whole raised to power m. It will be how much? A plus b whole raised to power m upon c raised to power. It means first we have to add them, then its power we have to take. Then its power we have to take. Okay. So here first we have to solve within the bracket. Within the root we have to solve. Minus or plus sign whenever is there, we have to solve within the bracket first. So take the LCM. Okay, tell me what you are getting. Calculate this one. 729. How much you have got?
Minus
125 and
Minus.
minus. This you have got. This we have got. Now we can take the minus outside. Okay. Now we can take the minus outside. Okay. Take the minus sign outside. Cube root of 125 divided by 729. Okay. If you take minus sign outside, it will be written 854.729 minus 1. Okay, forget about that one. Yes, Jatin, I can see you. You all can see. Okay, cube root of 125.729 minus cube root of 125 divided by cube root of 729. Okay, what is the cube root of 125?
5.
We have done this.
Minus 5 it will.
Okay, minus 5 and denominator 729 cube
9.
root 9
9.
9.
minus 5 by 9 minus 5 by 9.
Sir, please don't
Okay.
sometime.
Okay. Have you all understood this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Try the next one. Try the next one.
Yes, sir, you can do it.
Okay. I'll leave it. Okay. We'll do it now. Okay. Cube root of 4 plus. This is a very interesting question. We have done in roots as well. Do you remember? Cube
Yes,
root
sir.
of 61 plus again cube root of 27. So see here. Okay. Everyone please yourself. Okay. Everyone see here. What is this? Cube root of whole. That is 4 plus this one. For taking the cube root, first we solve this one. Okay. Taking the cube root here, first we solve here. Okay. It means we have to start from here. Understood? First we solve this one. We'll add them. Then we take the cube. And after taking the cube, we'll add it to. Then we take the cube. Okay. So first step will be what? 4 plus cube root of 61 plus. What is the cube root of 27?
3.
3. Okay. Next step will be 4 plus cube root of 61 plus 3.
64.
60. Okay. Next step. What will be the cube root of 64?
4.
4. Okay. This is equal to cube root of 8. What is it?
Sir, 2.
Have you understood? 2.
Yes, sir.
Cube root of 8 is 2. Understood? First, you have to solve this one. Same way we have done in squares. If you remember, we have done in squares.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
We have
sir.
done in squares as well. Okay.
Yes.
This you have understood. So first, we need to solve within the root. If plus or minus sign is there, we have to solve within the root first. Okay. We have to solve within the root. Here, minus sign was there. Something minus something. So we have to solve. We have to subtract first, and we got this answer. Now they are in division, so we can apply separately. We can take the roots, cube roots, and we can calculate. Okay. Here within the root we have to solve first. Within the root we have to solve first. Okay. One step by step we are going, and we have got to. Anyone have doubt? Anyone?
No, sir.
Anyone having doubt or anything we want to
No,
ask?
sir.
Okay.
Sir,
So
no, sir.
from 5th we will start tomorrow. Okay.